everyone, I'm Lauren and welcome to my channel. This video follows the process of me transforming my main bedroom in my terraced house. I've already covered the beginning of this project in my bedroom updates video. Here's a recap for you, and I'll also link the main video in the description down below if you want to go and watch that one first. So here's the before clips. The bedroom was in a pretty bad state after we had ripped out the carpet and removed the wallpaper. I did line all the walls in lining paper to smooth out the bumps, and it looked much cleaner once this was finished. This was once two small bedrooms when I bought the house, and we took down the partition wall and we built wardrobes just a bit back from where the wall was to create a larger room plus a dressing area. So Timeless was my favourite, I think, for a few days, and then I switched to Jasmine White. I've been in and out of these two for days on end, and I've settled. I think I want this Jasmine White because it's slightly creamier, and I wanted like a warm tone to the room. So this Timeless is lovely, but slightly greyer than the Jasmine White. Now we can join present me painting the newly added panelling on the chimney breast. It's Friday night. Fun. Well, last weekend my dad did this. Finished the panelling for me. Amazing. Also managed to put cornice around the top. And all the way around the back of the wardrobe. Right, so tonight I'm going to start painting just the cornice, just the white, because I really want to paint the green tomorrow. I got the green today from B&Q, picked it up. It's called Salty Peat, which is nice. Not peat as in the name Pete though. Peat is in that mud stuff. Anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna get on with this tonight, and then I will hopefully get the green done tomorrow, which is massive progress. I'm really looking forward to getting that done, because then that means I can start the floor, which I've been waiting to do for so long. I managed to do today. I've just done the edges of the squares. I've also put another coat on the coving, painted some white around the corner. I'm going to my friend's tonight, so I'm gonna go get ready for that now, and I'll carry on Monday. Hello guys, I want to update you on the progress that me and my dad made on this bedroom yesterday. It was really productive, and I'm super excited at now the progress to like the finishing point. So I don't know if you could see from behind me, but I now have a door. Yay! This hasn't had a door in it forever, even when I bought the house, because this used to be like a tiny little corridor entryway. One side of the door, I still need to paint it, but he put the handle on. That just needs some. That just needs its little cover. I put that on when I painted, so that is super exciting. It also, unfortunately, makes the landing like really dark when the doors. I mean, look at that, towels everywhere. So that's super cute. So what I was doing mostly yesterday was painting the big monolith that is the wardrobe. Now it's kind of hard to get it all in shot, but so I've painted the coving that my dad did last weekend, and I've done about 2 or 3 coats on the whole of the wardrobe, and with all them squares it was quite a bit of brushwork. Oh, and as you can see, little sneak peek there, that's the shelf. I'll show you that now. So this shelf is, this shelf goes all the way along this wall. It's just painted MDF, so I think that's had about 3 coats. I think it needs a bit of touching up now we've screwed it in. This corner here, below the shelf, this is a like MDF here and here, because the wall was really crappy here and I wanted to cover it up easily. So I'm gonna have like triangular shelves on here so that the door can still open, but I'm trying to utilize the space for storage. So once my dad had put the door in, he had a little bit of time left, so he decided to start on the flooring. So here's the start of the flooring. I love the colour. It's like not too contrasting with the knots in it. It's really nice, warm, tonal wood. I'm so excited to have the rest of the room, like the flooring covered up. So obviously these are the floorboards at the moment. We've had a little like patching repairs. There's a bit of a hole over there. There's 2 holes there, which if you can see, just here, and one over there. That's where the radiator on the old wall used to be. So as you can see, although I would have loved to have real floorboards, it's absolutely not possible on this floor. Actually, in any of this house, like they're all a bit rough. So yeah, that's my little update from yesterday with my dad. I'm hoping that this coming weekend, he might do more of the flooring, but I might give him the weekend off, bless him, because I'm not here. I'm busy, so I won't be able to be here helping him, so he'll be on his own. And I need to paint the door this week. I think I might be able to manage a few coats on the door. I really want to get that painted before we lay all the flooring right underneath it, just in case I get paint on it. Also, while I was in town, I bought another one of these lights from Dunelm. I'd already bought one because they only had one in stock, so I picked up another one today. So they're going to be my bedside table lights, so one each side. I'm just going to take it out of the box, see what it looks like against the green, see if I like it. Hopefully I do, because I don't think I can return one of them now. Okay, so I need it level with the plug, I think I want it like there, maybe? Because they just plug in, so I don't need to wire them in or anything. I literally just need to screw into the wall with some little screws. Small screws that will go into this. Can I look into it? No, I won't look into it. No, it's quite small off the wall actually. Yeah, cool. Happy with that. I think they're quite nice. For only £25. Yeah, lovely. Impatient and I really want to sleep in this room tonight, even though it's not really ready. I'm going to bring my mattress that I have in my other bedroom into here on the floor, and that means I can stay in the room for the first time tonight. Oh my god. That's way heavier than I thought it was going to be. Oh god. Woo. Hello. Oh. Well, I'm not ripping that again. So I guess I'm staying in here tonight. Whew. Right, it's just the bed. that's it. It's really amazing that I've managed to like pull this bedroom off. It feels like a hotel. I love it. I'm just amazed that it's in my home. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you like it, would you do anything differently? Did you like my colour and style choices? Let me know. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!